Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome back. In the Partner Manager account, you will find a dashboard section where you can see the overview, including the number of existing clients for the Partner Manager, the number of courses that have been created in the last month, and the number of trainers in the partner organization. In the right part, there is the Client section, where you can see the clients of this partner, the courses that have been added in the student's wish list, the top trainers in the client organization, and the most popular courses for the last 30 days, which show what courses have been viewed the most and how many students have accessed them. In the top most active employees, you can see the number of courses that a student has finished and the number of courses that he or she has in progress. In the Organization Activity section, you can see the courses and the resources that have been added in the last days by the client organization. Client Manager account and see how you can administer both the partner company and the client company. As you can see, the partner company is Demo Knolyx, and the client company is Demo Client. In the Administration section, which is similar to the Client Manager account, you can see the Organization Details section where each organization completes a name, a description, email, phone number, fiscal code, IBAN, headquarters, workplaces, a logo, and afterwards clicks on the Save button. Also, employees can be added in the same way a client manager does, by adding the first name, the last name, the gender of the employee, the birth date, the email, which is mandatory, the city, the address, the phone number, the department to which the employee belongs, and also the roles that he can have being assigned into this field. After that, click on the Save button. Also, in the Administration section, you can find the collaborators, and as a partner manager, you can add collaborators for your organization by clicking on the Create button, this being the same details page as the one used for employees. As you can see, there are already 2 departments that have been created, and more can easily be created by clicking on the Create button. You can select a partner department, which means that you will also create a sub-department. You can allocate its manager, a short description, the city, the members, and also the roles that they have. Also, in the Administration section, you can find the Job segment where you can add a new job by clicking on the Create button. You will assign a name to it, a short description, a role and status, which can be active or inactive, and click on the Save button. The Partner Manager can create work groups by clicking on the Create button. You assign a name to the work group, a short description, you select the members and their roles, for example, a work group of students on a certain topic, and then click Save again. The Partner Manager can assign different roles by clicking on the Create button and assigning a name to it, a short description, and a type. By selecting a type, a list with permissions is generated in the left part, and by clicking on the plus sign, you can assign permission to the role that you have created before. Then hit Save. This is the same procedure as in the case of the Client Manager. In the My Client section, the Partner Manager can see the existing client and can create a new one by clicking on the Create button and completing all the necessary details. Finally, in the Settings section, the Partner Manager can give access to discussions and feedback, set the language for the organization, select the categories and the rewards, the gamification part, and the notification part. Partner Manager Analytics. Partner Manager in the Analytics section. For the Partner Manager account, you can access the Analytics section and find an overview of the platform, how many employees use the platform, and how many courses and resources have been created in the organization. We also have the Popular Courses section here, where you can find the number of views and students for each course on a chart set for 7, 30, or 90 days. Also, you can find the activity of the students in the platform and the time they've spent, the chart being set also for 7, 30, or 90 days. The student's progress is shown in the interval of time between how many students have started the course and how many of them have finished it. The chart can be set for 7, 30, or 90 days. There is also a chart with the time spent on the course, and the average time is 1 minute per day, but you can also set the chart as shown before. Moreover, there is a chart with the top resources that shows us that the article and video type resources have 3 views. As you expected, you can set the chart for 7, 30, and 90 days. In the Analytics section, we have the Courses section, where you can select a course in the organization and you can check the progress per this course for 7, 30, 90 days, the most active students, the average time spent on the course, the student's progress, and the results for the quiz. As you can see, 2 students answered this quiz and 4 of them have not. At the same time, you can see the number of answers for the challenges. 3 people answered and 3 have not yet. Finally, you can see the feedback section here, and as you can notice, only 2 students have answered to the feedback, which confirms the fact that 2 of the 3 students who have finished the course have given feedback. Partner Manager in the Community section. From the Partner Manager account, you can access the Community section, where you can add a new community by clicking on the Create button, or you can edit a community that has been previously created. As you can see, the community consists of the announcements that can be added by clicking on the Create button and assigning a name and content to the announcement. In the Discussion section, the user can mark a discussion as favorite, and they can also add a topic for each discussion. For example, there is a discussion about marketing, and the topics can be online marketing and other types of marketing. The members of the community can edit by clicking on the Edit button like this. You can add them by clicking on the plus button or delete them from the community by clicking on the X button. The advisors can be edited in the same way as you have edited the members, by clicking on the plus button to add and the X button to delete. The advisors are mentors of the community. The Media section contains images, and you also have a description of the community that can be edited or deleted with the possibility to upload an image for the community. That was it for today. Don't forget to check out Knolyx.com for more answers to your questions. Until next time, stay thirsty for learning.